Hey, what's up? This is Pritesh, and today we are going to talk about what exactly is the importance of noting things down. So, the internet is full of information, maybe repetitive information as well. For example, the exact video that you are watching right now, this might be available in some another format on the internet already. So, why are you even watching that again? And you consume so much information throughout the day, be it through LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, uh, so many platforms. Then there are blogs, news articles, but how much are you able to exactly retain out of it? That's the main important point. So it becomes really important to note things down, to create your own resources so that you just don't get overwhelmed with all the information that is available on the internet and still get to retain the best out of it. The information should be actionable for you. It should not just become a dumping ground for your brain to collect all the information and do nothing out of it. I will share some practical use cases of how information curation has been helping me out. The first use case is that it becomes a really easy reference to share with your team, your colleagues, or someone who has been helping you out with your own work. Let's say you are an entrepreneur, or maybe you are someone who works with someone else to get your things done. So, if you want to share how you visualize things, how you want things to be, in such cases, you often need to share references. Let's say I am creating a house, maybe having some interior design in that, a project in that. If I don't have any visuals or I don't have any references, maybe my interior designer will have their own references and they will do that under their control using their ideas. But if I have my own ideas, if I have my own curations of all the designs that I want to have in my house, obviously it becomes much easier to design my house just the way how I want it. It similarly is the case with websites, your social media posts, or anyone. Let's say you hire anyone for your work. If you have better references, you can share your ideas in a much better way. This is what I have learned from our co-founders, our company team members. So whenever they have amazing ideas, they maybe curate them, and that's the reason they are able to share some amazing references whenever we are asking for their help. So that definitely helps out. Second reason is not so obvious, but it's actually helpful. You get to make amazing friends, you get to help others, you get to network properly. Now, how that happens? Let me give you an example. Few days back, my friend reached out to me to find the best places which are around Mumbai to take his wife out. So I just shared a list of some places which was already present on my Google Sheet. I have been curating that list for myself, but when such moments come, I can just share that with my friends or family members, and they know that this person is the go-to person whenever they need an information about something or they need some resources. So they just know that they will get the best resources out from me, and that helps you eventually build a network, friends, and you become that popular guy who is well organized and have amazing data sets with you. Reason number 3 might be the biggest motivator for most of the people out there who are watching me out right now. So whatever resources that you see me selling or the services that I pitch to someone else, they are all curated things. So whenever I learn something, I just curate them, have them documented, and then I just pitch them as a service or I just sell them as a product. So these are some example of my info products that I have been selling from a few months. So first one is list of 500 plus D2C brands. Again, that's a database of Google Sheets. And a list of 150 plus Web3 brands. Again, that's a list on a Google Sheet. And same with 1500 plus tech startups. This was actually kind of my mini startup as well, which was called Chopping Tech. So it was a full database of tech startups in India. So whenever someone required some job and some information about these categories of startups, I just sold that as a product and people eventually paid for that. So this is the power of having a curated system of information. Hope that helps you out and motivates you to curate all the information that you see. Not all, but whatever is relevant to you, whatever is actionable, whatever is helpful for your goals and what you visualize yourself. It eventually helps you out when you create and have such databases with you. Before we wrap up with this video, I just wanted to have a quick plug-in of my 10-day free email course, which is about side projects. So you will get to have some 50 plus side project ideas in the first email, and then it will be a series of 10-day emails. So you will just have some action items every day, and you will be replying that to me, and we will brainstorm on your side project ideas. So that's how you can start with your side projects. You will find all the links in the description. So I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.